Sceptre monitors have gained popularity as budget-friendly options, especially among gamers and home office users. However, like many budget electronics, they do face some common technical challenges. Based on recent reports and user feedback, there are five main categories of issues affecting Sceptre monitors in 2024 and 2025. The first major category is display connectivity problems, particularly with newer graphics cards and HDMI 2.1 compatibility issues. Second, firmware-related issues are affecting newer curved gaming monitors, causing various display and performance problems. Third, color calibration inconsistencies are common in budget 4K displays, leading to poor color accuracy and visual quality. Fourth, power management problems occur in energy-efficient models, causing unexpected shutdowns or power cycling. Finally, input lag issues plague gaming-focused models, despite advertised low-latency specifications. Now let's examine the three most frequently reported specific problems that Sceptre monitor users encounter. The most common issue is the no signal error. This frustrating problem typically stems from cable connection issues, incorrect input source selection, or conflicts with graphics drivers. Screen flickering is another frequent complaint. This issue usually occurs due to refresh rate mismatches between the monitor and graphics card, faulty cables, or unstable power supply. Color distortion problems manifest as incorrect colors, poor color accuracy, or washed-out displays. These issues typically result from incorrect color profiles, poor cable quality, or gradual panel degradation over time. According to 2024 data, display connectivity issues account for 35% of all reported problems, making them the most common challenge users face. The key takeaway is that while Sceptre monitors provide excellent value for money, users should be prepared for potential technical challenges. Most issues are solvable with proper troubleshooting, but being aware of these common problems helps with quick identification and resolution. Effective Sceptre monitor troubleshooting requires a systematic approach. Start by eliminating potential causes one by one, rather than making random attempts at fixes. Begin with the most common culprit: connection issues. Test different cables, try alternate ports on both your monitor and graphics card, and ensure all connections are secure. Graphics driver compatibility is crucial, especially with newer hardware. Windows 11 provides built-in driver update tools that can resolve many display issues automatically. RTX 40 series graphics cards can experience specific compatibility issues with Sceptre monitors. These newer cards may require custom EDID profiles or driver workarounds to function properly. Environmental factors can significantly impact monitor performance. Power quality issues and electromagnetic interference from nearby devices can cause flickering, color distortion, and connectivity problems. Color banding and poor HDR performance are common on budget 4K Sceptre models. Understanding the limitations of your specific monitor and adjusting expectations accordingly can prevent frustration. When self-troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, Sceptre provides multiple support channels. Their online resources, community forums, and updated driver packages for Windows 11 offer comprehensive assistance. Remember that 65% of Sceptre monitor issues can be resolved through systematic self-troubleshooting. When problems persist, community forums achieve a 78% success rate, making them an excellent resource for complex issues.